the art of creating captivating outdoor spaces that seamlessly blend style and functionality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor kitchen barbecue grill is far more than just a lonely charcoal kettle sitting on a patio. It is a fully integrated culinary station designed to bring the convenience and functionality of your indoor kitchen into the open air. At its core, it is a designated architectural space equipped with high-performance cooking appliances, preparation surfaces, and often storage or refrigeration, all built to withstand the elements. It serves as the heart of the backyard, blending the art of grilling with the comfort of a living room, allowing the chef to remain part of the conversation while preparing delicious meals under the sun or stars. The benefits of installing an outdoor kitchen are extensive, ranging from lifestyle improvements to financial gains. Firstly, it significantly expands your home's usable living space without the need for a costly indoor room addition, effectively creating a great room without walls. Cooking outdoors also keeps your indoor air cleaner and cooler, especially during hot summer months when an indoor oven can spike your cooling bills. Beyond the practical, it is the ultimate tool for social entertaining. Guests naturally gravitate toward the smell of a grill, making hosting much more interactive and less stressful. Furthermore, a well-designed outdoor kitchen is a high-value home improvement that can provide a substantial return on investment, as many homebuyers today prioritize premium outdoor amenities. To make your outdoor kitchen look professional and inviting, you must focus on the harmony between materials and landscaping. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette that complements your home's exterior. For instance, using stone veneer that matches your house's foundation creates a seamless look. Incorporate living decor by adding large planters filled with aromatic herbs like rosemary or basil. This provides both beauty and fresh ingredients within arm's reach. Lighting is perhaps the most crucial decorative element. Use a mix of functional task lighting over the grill and soft ambient string lights or LED undercounter glows to create a warm atmosphere after sunset. Finally, don't forget the comfort factor. Stylish bar stools with weatherproof cushions and a decorative backsplash made of patterned tile can turn a simple grill station into a high-end design feature. The best items for an outdoor kitchen are those that prioritize durability and multifunctionality. A high-quality stainless steel gas grill is usually the centerpiece, but adding a secondary cooking source like a wood-fired pizza oven or a ceramic Kamado-style grill adds incredible versatility to your menu. Stainless steel drawers and cabinets are essential for keeping tools dry and organized, while a built-in outdoor refrigerator or ice chest ensures you never have to run back inside for a cold drink. To truly elevate the space, consider a built-in sink for easy cleanup and a powerful side burner for sautéing sides. If you plan on entertaining late into the evening, a fire feature integrated into the counter or a nearby patio heater will keep your guests cozy and comfortable regardless of the season. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor kitchen barbecue grill ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the Industrial Professional Suite. This sleek design features a fully integrated black matte cabinetry system that exudes modern sophistication. It includes a built-in premium gas grill, a high-end pizza oven, and a dedicated beverage fridge, all framed by a decorative laser-cut leaf pattern on the island base. The contrast between the dark metal and the warm wood accents makes this a perfect choice for a contemporary urban patio. 2. The rustic farmhouse stone island. A beautiful example of blending textures, this L-shaped kitchen uses a crisp white stucco base paired with dark wood cabinet doors and a natural stone countertop. It features a versatile setup with a large gas grill and a wood-fired oven, complete with a dedicated nook for firewood storage. The vertical herb garden on the wooden fence adds a touch of greenery that feels both functional and organic. 3. The Rooftop Sunset Lounge. Designed for high-end entertainment, this rooftop kitchen features a stunning dark wood-textured island with an integrated linear fire pit right on the countertop. The overhead pergola provides shade and structural depth, while the glowing under-counter lights and bar seating create a sophisticated nightclub vibe for evening cocktails and grilling. 4. The Modern Mountain Stone Retreat. This heavy-duty kitchen is built with rugged stone masonry and professional-grade stainless steel appliances. The U-shaped layout offers massive counter space, featuring a large grill, a pizza oven, and a deep sink. The surrounding lanterns and forest backdrop make it the ideal sanctuary for those who want a high-performance kitchen in a natural, rustic setting. 5. The All-White Minimalist Pavilion. Perfect for a bright and airy backyard, this design uses white brick and light concrete counters to create a clean, Mediterranean feel. It's equipped with a red ceramic Kamadou grill for smoking and a flat-top griddle for breakfast and burgers. The wall-mounted TV and ceiling fan ensure this outdoor kitchen is the most comfortable spot in the house for game day. 6. The Tropical Oasis Grill Station. Set against a backdrop of palm trees, this kitchen uses dark wood cabinetry and polished granite countertops to create a luxury resort atmosphere. It features blue-lit knobs on the grill for a high-tech touch and a glass front beverage cooler to keep drinks visible and cold. The large screened-in area makes it perfect for bug-free dining in tropical climates. 7. The Timeless Timber Gazebo Kitchen. This traditional design is housed under a magnificent wooden gazebo with exposed beams, providing permanent protection from the sun and rain. The kitchen features warm wood cabinetry and a classic brick-based pizza oven. It's a cozy, warm space that feels like an extension of a classic country home, ideal for large family Sunday roasts. 8. The Elevated Deck Social Hub. This deck-integrated kitchen focuses on flow and conversation. It features a raised wooden bar top where guests can sit in woven bar stools while the chef works at the stainless steel grill. The use of different wood tones and stone accents on the storage units creates a layered, designer look that works perfectly on a multi-level backyard deck. 9. The Classic Brick Chef's Corner. Utilizing traditional red brickwork and earth-toned granite, this kitchen feels sturdy and permanent. It's a powerhouse setup featuring a sink, a side burner, a ceramic smoker, and a large gas grill. This layout is perfect for the serious barbecue enthusiast who needs every tool at their fingertips while enjoying a view of the woods. 10. The Architectural Anthracite Kitchen. A masterpiece of modern geometry, this kitchen uses dark gray panels and clean lines to create a minimalist look. It features an integrated fireplace at one end, a sink in the middle, and a ceramic grill at the other, all tucked under a sleek glass-roofed pergola. The organized wood storage and built-in shelving make it as practical as it is beautiful. Creating the perfect outdoor kitchen is about more than just buying a grill. It's about designing an experience that brings people together. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of modern stainless steel or the cozy charm of a brick pizza oven, your outdoor space has the potential to become your favorite room in the house. We hope these 10 ideas have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to start planning your own backyard culinary retreat. If you enjoyed these outdoor kitchen designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home inspiration. Which of these 10 styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Are you a fan of the modern industrial look or the rustic stone vibe? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on how to make your home beautiful.